Ta'alofa lava and welcome to Behind the Lava Lava. I'm your host Michael Tan and I attended the Raise the Tide MiniTalks that was held at the GYVR HUB in Lehi. I can only describe the event with 3 words: inspirational, empowering, and memorable. So here are some of the business booths that were there. Let's go check them out.
My company is Up Close Rental Inspections. We do property inspections for Airbnbs and we go in and try to help owners increase their revenue. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at Up Close Inspections.
Hi, my name is Joe Fiseta. I work with WealthWave. We specialize in protecting and growing wealth, tax savings, wills and trusts. Any of your money needs, come check us out.
Sweetest Aloha is our island treats business that we created in 2020, but it used to be called Lorianne's Island Treats, and my name is Lorianne, but me and my cousins here were all born in Hawaii, so we named it Sweetest Aloha.
Hi, we're here with Das Crons. We sell football merchandise, golf towels, snowboarding towels, anything to make you stand out from the crowd.
Hi, this is my business, Sweet Sisters, and we just barely started. It's just an ice cream stand, and we just sell ice cream, candy, maybe soda, but yeah.
My name's Langi Sofele with Open Arms Youth and Adult Services. We are looking for homes to place children into that are safe, loving, kind, adorable, and that could keep our kids safe and off the streets.
I'm Camille Purcell, and we got a couple businesses here. We have Spruce Up Studios, where you can rent it out for podcasts, photography, product photography, anything you need. And we also got Dynasty Lead Marketing by my husband and his partner, Solely to Purcell and Loss. They are there for any of your video needs and marketing needs.
Hi guys, this is Kaylee from Bonafide Beauty. I specialize in doing acrylic nails and I also sell glasses. You can follow me on Instagram at Bonafide Beauty, and yeah.
My name is Dayton and this is my wife Chloe. We're the owners of the Twisted Cow. We're a ice cream shop down in Provo that specializes in homemade ice cream, customizable flavors, and our crazy shakes. Check us out on all the socials at the Twisted Cow Shakes, and you can find our website, thetwistedcowshakes.com.
Hi, my name is Teofil Purcell. I'm the co-founder of Outdoor Adventures, outdooradventures.com. We are an online platform for outdoor rentals, so you can rent out your outdoor gear or power sports equipment to other people. And you can find us online at outdooradventures.com.